Hi little learners, how are you? I'm teacher Shimi and I will be your friend and guide as we learn English together. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello little learners! Do you know what we are going to do today? Today we are going to explore the nature. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a tree, and that is an even bigger tree. What color is tree? That's right. The color of tree is green. Also, there are plenty of flowers we can see on the nature. Look, this flower is red. It's so pretty. And the other flower is pink. It's so beautiful. And we can see the other flowers in color purple. Just like my clothes. Don't forget about animals too. Look at these cats. They are chilling around. They are so cute, right? But then there's also a red ants. Do you know if they bite you, it's going to stink? Don't go anywhere near them, okay? And see, there's a birds too. What sound do birds make? That's right. And lastly, I want to show you the sunset. Since I've explored the nature in evening, I can see the sun setting. It's so pretty, don't you think? So, our journey have to end here, but I would like to continue it with you later on. So, see you in my next video. Bye!